Hello friends, today we are going to learn linear programming method. Second problem is player A, player B. In player A, to row A1, A2 and column B1, B2, B3 and element are 3, -1, 4, 6, 7, -2. Then find the solution. First write the given payoff matrix. Given payoff matrix is write as it is. Player A, player B, A1, A2, B1, B2, B3, 3, -1, 4, 6, 7, -2. In this given payoff matrix, some element are negative, that is -1 and -2, and the most negative element is -2. Therefore, here add the constant C is equal to 3. Then this element become positive of that matrix. Then the given payoff matrix become player A, player B. These three are added, each element of this matrix. Then 3 plus 3 6, 3 minus 1 2, 3 plus 4 7, 3 plus 6 9, 3 plus 7 10 and 3 plus minus 2 1. This is the matrix, and the value of this matrix does not change because C is equal to 3 is added each element of this matrix. Then write the strategy for player A and player B. The strategy for player A is SA is equal to A1, A2, P1, P2. And strategy for player B is B1, B2, B3, that is Q1, Q2, Q3. Here we know P1 plus P2 is equal to 1 and Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 is equal to 1. Then write the LPP or LPP equation for player A and B. For player A, maximize U is equal to minimize 1 upon U is equal to x1 plus x2 and subject to constant R. 6x1 plus 9x2 greater than equal to 1, twice x1 plus 10x2 greater than equal to 1 and 7x1 plus x2 greater than equal to 1. Write in column, and x1 x2 greater than equal to 0, where we know x is equal to pj upon u and j is equal to 1 to 2 and u is maximum expected gain to player A. Same for player B. We use in row and write the LPP for player B. The LPP for player B, first write the minimize V is equal to maximize 1 upon V is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 and subject to constant R. 6y1 plus 2y2 plus 7y3 less than equal to 1. 9y1 plus 10y2 plus y3 less than equal to 1. Here y1, y2, y3 all greater than equal to 0. Here yj is equal to qj upon v and j is equal to 1 to 3 because here 3 columns are present, and v is maximum expected loss to player B. Then write the simplex table, and we add the slack variable s1 and s2 in constant 1 and 2, and slack variables value in constant 1 and 2 is 1, but basic equation is 0. Then write the simplex table. First we write CB, YB, XB, Y1, Y2, Y3, S1, S2. Slack variable are basic variable, that is S1 and S2, and value in S1 and S2 in basic equation is 0, therefore here 0, and here 1 1 means right side of this equation 1 1, and first constant value of y1 is 6, y2 is 2 and y3 is 7, like this, and s1 is 1 and s2 0. In second constant, value of y1 is 9, y2 10, y3 1, s1 0 and s2 is 1. Then find del j. We know the formula del j is equal to cb xj minus cj. Then find the value of del j. 0 multiplied by 1 0, 0 multiplied by 1 0, and addition of this 0. 0 multiplied by 6 0, 0 multiplied by 9 0, 0 minus 1, here minus 1. 0 multiplied by 2 0, 0 multiplied by 10 0, 0 minus 1, again here minus 1. 0 multiplied by 7 0, 0 multiplied by 1 0, 0 minus 1, again here again minus 1. And here 0 multiplied by 1 0, 0 multiplied by 0 and 0, therefore here 0. And same as last column, 0 multiplied by 0, 0 multiplied by 1 0, and 0 minus 0 0. And here most negative are 3 value, minus y, minus 1 and minus 1. Here y3 is incoming vector, and then find the value of q. Q is equal to xb. Xb means this column, and xb upon incoming vector column. Then find this value of qb. 1 upon 7, that is 1 by 7, and 1 upon 1, here 1. Here least positive is 1 by 7. Then intersection of incoming vector column and least positive means most negative and most negative and least positive, that is 7. And therefore 7 is pivot element, and outgoing vector is s1 and incoming vector is y3. Then make the value of pivot element or key element is 1. Therefore in this row divide the 7 and write this table: CB, YB, XB, Y1, Y2, Y3, S1, S2, and here S1 is outgoing and Y3 is incoming, therefore here write Y3, and value of Y3 in basic equation is 1, therefore here 1, and divide this row by 7, therefore here 1 by 7, 6 by 7, 2 by 7, 1, 1 by 7, 0. Then make the key element here 1. Then below the key element, this element becomes 0. Therefore, here use operation R2. R2 means old R2 minus R1 new. Is new. 1 R2 1, and here new R1 Y3 is 1. Therefore, R2 minus R1 is equal to 0. Means this element becomes 0. Therefore, here we use operation R2 minus R1 new. Then here S2 0, 1 minus 1 by 7, that is 6 by 7, 9 minus 6 by 7, that is equal to 57 by 7, 10 minus 2 by 7, that is 68 by 7, then 1 minus 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. 0 minus 1 by 7 is minus 1 by 7, and 1 minus 0, here 1. Then again find del j. Del j again use same formula, del j is equal to cb xj minus cj. Then 1 upon 1 by 1 multiplied by 1 by 7, that is 1 by 7. 1 multiplied by 6 by 7, 6 by 7, and 0 multiplied by 0, 6 by 7 minus 1, here 1 minus 1 by 7. And again 1 into 2 by 7 is 2 by 7. 0 multiplied by 0, 2 by 7 minus 1, that is minus 5 by 7. Here 1 into 1, 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. Again here 1 by 7 and minus 0. Here 1 by 7, 0. Here most negative is this element, but value of this element is 0.07, but here this element not choose as a most negative element, therefore here choose, that is minus 1 by 7 is a most negative element, and then find the value of q, that is this is not q element, and that is 1 by 7 into divided by 6 by 7, that is 1 by 6. And second, 6 by 7 upon 57 by 7, that is equal to 6 upon 57, 6 upon 57. And intersection of this positive is this element. Then S2 is outgoing. Outgoing is vector is S2 and incoming vector is Y1, and therefore here we use pivot element of this. This is the pivot element. And become this 1, and above this 0, and find a simplex table. Then next simplex table is CB, YB, XB, Y1, Y2, Y3, S1, S2. And here first incoming Y3, and Y3 value in this equation is 1, and here and here the second element is incoming vector is Y1, and value of Y1 is again basic equation is 1. And divide this and this second row by 7 by 57. Then value of S2 is here 6 by 57, 1, 68 by 57, 0, minus 1 by 57. And that is 7 upon 57. And above this key element becomes 0. Therefore, here in value is 6 by 7. Therefore, we use operation R1 minus 6 by 7 R2 new. Means here use operation R1 minus 6 by 7 R2 new. This operation is used and find the value, that is the value of XB is equal to 3 by 57, and Y1 in this value is 6 by 7 minus 1 minus 6 by 7 minus 6 by 7 into R2 means this value becomes 0, and next value becomes 78 upon 409, and then 1, and 9 by 57 and 6 by 57. Then again find del J, and del J is equal to use CB Xj minus Cj. Here in this first value is become 9 by 57, 1 multiplied by this, 1 multiplied by this, and addition of this 9 upon 57, and value of this 1, and again 1 multiplied by this, 1 multiplied by this, and addition of this element is 552 upon 409. Here 0, here 8 by 57, and 13 by 57. Here we see that all del J greater than equal to 0, and Y1, Y2, Y3 all are greater than 0. Here value of Y1 is equal to 6 by 57. Y2 is not coming, therefore Y2 is equal to 0, and Y3 is equal to 3 by 57. And here 1 by V is equal to 9 by 57. And here V is equal to 57 by 9. That is equal to 19 by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3 and 3 9s are 27, means 19 by 3. Therefore, the optimal strategy for player B, Yg is equal to Qj upon V, and here Q1 equal to Y1 into V, and here Y1 is equal to 6 by 57 into 19 by 3, and that is equal to 2 by 3, and Q2 is equal to Y2 into V, that is equal to 0, and Q3 is equal to Y3 into V, that is Q3 is equal to 3 by 57 into 19 by 3, that is Q3 is equal to 1 by 3. And here strategy for player B is B1, B2, B3, that is equal to 2 by 3, 0, 1 by 3. And here value of x1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 8 by 57, and x3 is equal to 13 by 57. And you know Pg is equal to xg into V, and here P1 is equal to 0, P2 is equal to 8 by 57 into 19 by 3 is equal to 8 by 3, and P3 is equal to 13 by 57 in 13 by 57 into 19 by 3, and that is equal to 13 by 9. And hence strategy for player A is S is equal to A1 A2. Strategy for player A is equal to E given by SA is equal to A1 A2, that is equal to, means and this value is not given, x1 that is P1 and that is P2, here x1 and this is x2. And strategy for player A is 8 by 9 and 13 by 9. And here actual value of game V is equal to V dash minus C, and here V dash is 19 by 3, and we add the constant 3, therefore C is equal to 3, and that is the value is 10 by 3. This is the value of game, 10 by 3.